my shed. I am able to come out here and work and transplant plants and make a mess and have a place to put everything. It keeps the cars in the garage because I have a place to put my garden tools. This was built for me by Duluth Shed. This is the second shed I had them build. It is just absolutely wonderful.
It's kind of just a cute little garden shed. But we did trade vegetables and pickles and salsa for most of the lumber to build it. I was going to start out a lot of my seeds and stuff in it, but it tends to stay a little bit cooler in there, so then you really have to put heat on it. But I wanted it to kind of feel like a little country grocery store, kind of where you'd come in, a little market, and just enjoy yourself and look at the little antiques. And we have old reading material in there from the 1912s and stuff. It's just kind of fun, kind of experience for all of our friends to just come over and sit and visit.